Hi, this is Kathy Knoop from Salt River Project, talking to you from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm here to talk to you a little more about Salt River Project's electric vehicle programs. We have programs for our customers, our employees, and our fleet, and of course a lot of studies and R&D to evaluate how the growth of EVs will impact our grid. Promoting early EV adoption gives SRP the opportunity to shape the retail market in a way that's beneficial for SRP's business. Making appropriate investments and expanding SRP's presence now, while the market's relatively nascent, enables SRP to create more demand for electricity, build customer relationships, enhance brand reputation, and obtain data critical for future planning. With a little over 7,000 EVs in our service territory, we're still working on determining how we can understand and manage the load. The key to this is in knowing where our EV customers live and what type of vehicles they drive. We do this through programs such as our website, and the public-facing Srp Eevee website has an EV calculator, where customers who are considering purchasing an EV can compare vehicles and first-year cost savings on various Srp price plans. It also shows a map of public charging stations to accommodate the range and vehicle that they choose. In addition to the calculator, Srp provides a large amount of educational material on what the customer will need to do to install charging at home, along with other EV consumer information. My favorite program is the Srp Eevee Community, whereby Srp offers a $50 Amazon gift card to EV owners within Srp service territory who voluntarily share their EV status with us. Having this information allows Srp to maintain regular contact with these customers, to learn more about their needs through surveys, and to invite them to EV-related events. Srp has conducted comprehensive annual surveys of these customers to ask what they would like to see from Srp in respect to supporting EVs. Srp also offers a pilot time of use rate, especially for EV customers to charge their electric vehicles during off-peak hours. This time of use plan is a super off-peak time from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m., such that these customers can charge at the lowest rate possible during this time. This is a whole house TOU rate, so all appliances that use electricity from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. can take advantage of these savings. This pilot is currently limited to our first 10,000 customers, and we have about 1,800 customers taking advantage of it right now. Srp also sponsors 6 DC fast charge stations through the Eevee Go network, located around the valley at shopping centers. Arizona currently has a pretty robust charging infrastructure as part of the DOE EV project, with 139 fast charge stations and 768 level 2 stations available to the public through the Blink network. Tesla, Eevee Go, Eevee Connect, and ChargePoint also have stations as part of this program. EV drivers can find these charging stations through PlugShare and the DOE Alternate Fuels Station Locator. Something we're very proud of here is the fact that we have the largest workplace charging installation in Arizona, with 80 level 2 charging ports supporting 130 employees with EVs. They get free charging, and in areas where there's charger congestion, they move their cars or their charging cords, but this works out great for our employees, and they really appreciate the benefit. Doing this program has also led us to create a workplace charging rebate program for our business customers. We offer a $500 rebate for every charging port our business customers install to either support workplace charging or fleet charging. Fleet charging is something that we also have heavily invested in. Srp's sedan fleet is converting to plug-in EVs wherever possible, and in total we now have over 200 level 2 charging stations to support employees and fleet cars. By April of 2019, we'll have about 80 fleet plug-in cars. We purchase Bolts, Volts, and Ford Fusion hybrid plug-ins. Things are moving very fast with EVs, and we have many research programs and projects that have been completed or are in the works. Many of these are geared towards understanding impacts to the grid and finding ways to encourage our customers to charge off-peak. Our primary research program involved installing data loggers on 100 customer EVs to really understand how much they drive, how and when they charge, and how much energy is being used at a given time. The best way we have found to accomplish all these programs is to have a lot of communication internally at our utility. We have a team called the Eevee Roadmap team that meets every 6 weeks. We have about 30 people from 18 different operational groups that discuss potential programs, learn about what's going on with EVs, and hear some guest speakers. Internal study results are presented, and additional questions and gaps in our knowledge are identified and determined on how we're going to address those gaps. We look forward to always growing our programs and supporting our customer choices to go electric. Thank you for letting me speak with you today.